Of liberty, then, I would say that, in the whole plenitude of its extent, it is unobstructed action according to our will. But rightful liberty is unobstructed action according to our will within the limits drawn around us by the equal rights of others. What kind of liberty do you seek? Do you seek the simplistic definition of liberty? You can do whatever you want, whenever you want with your possessions. That has never been the kind of liberty that could support a civilization, because that is the liberty of a state of nature, the antithesis of civilization. Rightful liberty, American liberty, has never simply been based on your wants and your needs. It has always been balanced by the needs and the wants of others. Indeed, it cannot exist outside of that relationship. We did not achieve a perfect version of rightful liberty during my lifetime, but we did establish it as a defining goal of the United States. It is not where we started, but it is where we want the United States to go. And we can go there as a country only with your help. And you can help only if you help others, not just yourself.